Welcome to vlog number 30. We are back on the road again with our fifth wheel. For the last few episodes in Palm City, the Keys, and the cruise, you didn't see our fifth wheel because we had left it with a friend near Lake Okeechobee. We picked it up and immediately headed for a boondocking opportunity in a wildlife management area called Dinner Island. We're at Dinner Island Wildlife Management Area here out in the middle of nowhere, Florida. It's not an island, and we have no idea why they call it Dinner Island, but...
There's no restaurants.
Yeah, it's just here. It's more cattle ranching than anything. There's a lot of cattle ranching here, but it's becoming a wildlife area. They have leases for the cattle, and they're slowly, as the leases turn over, they're letting it just go back to natural wild Florida. We're staying here for a night, just camping, boondocking, no amenities, out in a field.
On our way to Naples. It's a little guy.
I think we found a giant snake behind our rig. Not sure what it is, but we're a little leery of it.
Our vicious snake.
Snake turned out to be a hat in someone's belt.
So tonight we are on our way to Picayune State Forest, where we will be staying the next couple of nights and going into Naples to check out the city. And it's pretty much on the edge of the Everglades, but we're still counting it as being in the Everglades. And we're heading there now, and there's really not much out here. It is straight and flat out here, and this is the first hill we've come across all day.
There it is, Alligator Alley. Highway 75 through the Everglades. There is nothing that way, all the way to Fort Lauderdale.
All the way to Naples that way.
Avenue Southeast.
We've got our site now, and it actually turned out to be really amazing. So this is our spot. And this is the rest of the campground. We're really excited about this place because, one, it was not wet, so no mud or ruts or anything, which was something we were worried about, being that we are pretty much in the Everglades. But two, there's plenty of room for us. $10 a night camping, you can't beat that. And the place is beautiful. So we are really excited to be staying here for a few nights.
The next day we went to the zoo, where a friend of a friend, who happened to be the reptile expert, got us in for free.
And they are very dangerous.
Spent the day at the Naples Zoo.
Feel the sand. It's like baby powder. Wow. We toured around Naples and found out that it is one of the most wealthy cities in the U.S., and the money is easy to see. The beaches are spectacular and property values through the roof.
Made it to the end of the Naples Pier.
We were just on Highway 41, also known as Tamiami Trail down here in Naples. It is the same US 41 that goes right through Houghton, where we went to school in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. I don't know how long it is, but it's a long road. And we've been to the very northern end, and we actually drove right by the very southern end in Miami a couple weeks ago. It's kind of cool.
It's about 4 o'clock in the morning.
Check local media. Maybe we should turn on the TV. Oh, our antenna's up.
We'll put it down. So we might just be out of the worst of it, but we have another one coming toward us.
That's supposedly a confirmed tornado on the ground right there. Just north of us. Not where I would ever like to be in an RV.
Time to leave Picayune Strand State Forest. We've had an excellent time here. We had some thunderstorms last night, so we're a little worried about the next place that we're going to. It's kind of known for flooding. It's called Peace River because there's a river that goes right alongside. And we're hoping that we have a dry site to go to, so we'll see when we get there.
There it is, the water that you can cross Florida on from one side to the other.